50 Cent's Las Vegas Residency might be the worst show that's ever come to Vegas. The theater was mostly full and people seemed to be excited about it, but take a minute to listen and then I'll share why I thought it was terrible.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Got the magic stick. I'm the love. Let's make it. You said you a gangster, but you never pop nothing. So you can get the love and done the dogs.
The sound in the theater was terrible and the hype men were louder than him for the entire show. He spoke once only to say he was doing 6 shows and then he was done. He performed 84 minutes and then walked off stage. It really felt like he didn't want to be there. These were not cheap seats. I'll put more details in the comments. Follow me for all the Vegas.